This is determination of regulation. Now in this we'll see what is regulation and how to determine it. Okay, now we are going to see first one is regulation. Regulation means voltage drop voltage drop. This primary side I am taking this, okay, just like this. I am using one line here. 230 volts is there. यहाँ हम लोग रिसीव किया है 210. What is the voltage drop here? 20 volts. Regulation means difference in primary and secondary voltages. Okay, this is the 20s voltage drop. Here regulation of each transformer, regulation of each transformer, that is voltage drop by secondary no load voltage into 100. Okay, in this we are going to use two transformers. In earlier I told we are using two transformers. First one is like this, sorry, second one is we are connected here, this is connected here, this is like this, we are connecting one more transformer here. So in this case we are using two transformers, so the voltage drop will be V2 by 2. क्यों? यहाँ V2 जो है ये वोल्टेज और ये वोल्टेज पूरा बताएगा. अगर हम लोग एक ट्रांसफार्मर का वोल्टेज ड्रॉप चाहिए तो V2 by 2 लेना है. V2 by 2 बाई सेकेंडरी नो लोड वोल्टेज. सेकेंडरी साइड कितना वोल्टेज है वो वोल्टेज कैलकुलेट करना है इंटू 100. वी कैन गेट द regulation of the transformer. Next we are going to see circuit constants. Next we are going to see determination of circuit constants. Okay, determination of circuit constants. Now we will see what are the circuit constants we have. Before this, in previous we discussed about two transformers. In that we have derived one formula, that is copper loss each transformer. ईच ट्रांसफार्मर मतलब वन ट्रांसफार्मर के लिए कॉपर लॉस कितना है W2 by 2 हम लोग दिया है. लेकिन बट वी हैव वन मोर फार्मूला फॉर कॉपर लॉस, दैट इज I2 स्क्वायर इंटू RS. कॉपर लॉस के लिए फार्मूला है ना I स्क्वायर इंटू R. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉपर लॉस, दिस इज ऑल्सो copper loss. Now we will equate these two. We'll see I2 square RS equals to W2 by 2. From this RS equals to W2 by I2 square into 2. This is the one constant. RS means equivalent resistance of transformer referred to secondary side. जब हम लोग ये ट्रांसफार्मर के रेजिस्टेंस को हम लोग सेकेंडरी साइड को भेजा है, तब ये है इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर एट सेकेंडरी साइड. This is the resistance. Next we are going to find out the equivalent reactance. For that we have voltage drop of each transformer. How much voltage drop we have concluded? That is V2 by 2. एक ट्रांसफार्मर के लिए है V2 by 2. अगर दो ट्रांसफार्मर हम लोग लिया तो दो ट्रांसफार्मर का वोल्टेज है V2, एक ट्रांसफार्मर के लिए हो जाएगा V2 by 2. बट वी हैव वन मोर फार्मूला. But impedance drop for impedance drop we have formula, that is Is into Zs. Impedance drop matlab that is the voltage drop only. Now we are going to equate these two values, that is I2 into Zs is equals to V2 by 2. Here Zs equals to V2 by 2 into Is. ठीक है. यहाँ Zs मतलब एक्सेस मतलब क्या? X equals to square root of Z square minus R square. From this, here we have Zs, this one we can take XS equals to square root of Zs square minus Rs square. This is the resistance referred to secondary side. This is the reactance referred to secondary side. We have derived two circuit constants.